My name is Vati, and in this video, I am going to show you how to build a $1,500 per month sales assistant step by step for mental health clinic. In the past, all the businesses needed to have a website, but now the world we are coming into, each and every business have to have a chatbot, or you can call it sales assistant working for them 24 by 7 around the clock. For this one, the goal of our sales assistant is to qualify leads, book appointment, and answer any general question they might have. The lead might be coming through WhatsApp, Instagram, live chat that we will be putting on the website, Messenger, or SMS. So what's going to happen when the lead is going to respond or ask any question? The AI bot will take over. When the AI bot is going to take over, if the lead is qualified, we are going to book an appointment. But if the lead is not qualified, we are going to put them in a nurture campaign. We will be sending different email or SMS. We will be nurturing that lead. When that lead is ready, again, our goal is to book an appointment. For this purpose, the software I will be using, the one CRM, it's called Go High Level, and another AI software will be Oracle.ai. Let me go ahead and show you. This is a mental health clinic called Clarity Healthcare that exists in Australia. I will be using this mental health clinic as an example when building a chatbot. So let's go ahead and build one. Okay, this is how the AI sales assistant is going to interact with customers. Whenever the user is going to ask a question, AI sales assistant is going to greet. Wherever I say user, I mean customer. In AI terms, here we call it user. So whenever user is going to ask a question, AI going to greet the user, and when they respond, AI is going to ask for their name, going to see if the user have given reason for their visit. If no, AI is going to ask for it. But if the user have given reason for their visit, AI is want to know if the user want. AI is going to ask if the user want to book a consultation or learn more about it. If the user, I mean customers, want to learn more about it, AI is going to explain them about the specific treatment in great detail, or send them a link so where they can learn more about it. And whenever they are ready, they can book an appointment. But if they want to book a consultation, AI is going to ask for the preferred clinician in mind. If they don't have one, AI is going to suggest one. But if they do have one, AI is going to ask later on, AI is going to ask for their preferred day, time, but if that specific time is not available, AI is going to provide the alternative 2 to 3 times that are available nearby. Later on, AI is going to get their details such as name, phone number, and email. Make sure once we have all the details, AI is going to confirm if everything is correct. If is, AI is going to finalize the appointment and end the conversation in a friendly tone. Whenever the conversation is over, AI is going to summarize all the conversation that AI sales assistant had with the user and send this to the receptionist or business owner, whoever the business owner want this conversation to go to. But at any time, if the customer have a question or inquiry about fee, AI is going to ask where user is located. If the user is located in Melbourne or Hobart, because this specific clinic have 2 different clinics in Melbourne and in Hobart, and based on that, AI is going to suggest them a fee for that. You know what? Let's go ahead and do a live demo. Later on, I will be showing you how I actually build this assistant. So let's start the demo here. What I'm going to do is that I am going to initiate conversation with the AI. For the very first response, AI should take 15 to 20 seconds max to respond. Later on, it's going to be much quicker. And when AI is going to respond, I'm going to ask, do you treat ADHD? As you can see, AI did respond and ask me how I can help you. I'm going to ask, do you treat ADHD? Single time when I'm going to, or in this case, I am asking a question, but when customer is going to ask a question, as you can see, AI access the Google Sheet, question answers Google Sheet that I have connected. Here is the Google Sheet where I have all the question and answer FAQs from that website that we made this chatbot for. So AI access this chatbot access this Google Sheet and replied back, as you can see here. It says, yes, we do. And then again, it's asking the same question. Do you want to schedule a consultation or learn more? I want to schedule a consultation. So again, when I ask this question, AI is responding. This is live, guys. As you can see, AI is responding live, and you can see it here. So great. Could you please share your name? Yes, as I showed you earlier, the whole workflow, how it's going to work. I'm going to say yes, it's Vateeb Khan. So later on, it's going to say, ask me, okay, it should ask me for a clinician name. Do I have a clinician? Yes. Perfect. I'm going to say provisional. And then it should ask me for the date and time, basically. I'm going to say, yeah, I want to book on Monday, 10 a.m. Let's first get it back to me. So, yep, AI did respond. Monday, 10 a.m. Should ask me for my contact details now. 4492887732. This is not my actual contact details. And then we can go back and have a look what AI is doing. So AI is, as you can see, AI went ahead and checked my availability. My calendar is connected with this AI, and it's gonna check my availability and respond back. Is available. I'm gonna say, okay, this is my phone number, and I'm gonna give my email as well, because this did ask my email. Edge that draft.elc@gmail.com. This is a random email that I have. Okay, so again, AI is gonna go back, and it should update the details and make a summary of the conversation that we had. Later on, all this, what it's going to do is that, let me show you the workflow that I have here. So this is the workflow. When customer is going to respond, AI, we can, right now in this case, I am doing a live chat, but we can do Facebook Messenger, Instagram, live chat, SMS, anything, email. AI is going to respond, and then we're gonna activate our AI. We're gonna add this tag. This AI is going to add this tag when we're gonna get their email, name, and phone number. When we have their email, name, and phone number, we're gonna wait 1 minute and summarize all the conversation. AI is going to summarize all the conversation and send an email. As you can see, this is the summary. This is a custom field that we have created inside our CRM. AI is going to make a summary of it and send this whole conversation summary to the business owner, or maybe the receptionist, whoever we want to send it to. So here, appointment with the provisional has been successfully booked. Okay, our appointment is booked. Great. Let me go back here and see. Okay, AI updated all the details, filled the conversation, added this tag, and booked an appointment. Great. Let's go back to our CRM and check here what is actually happening. So here I am, as you can see in the CRM. AI have booked an appointment and sent an email. So he sent an email. Let me go back here. Further open this contact that AI have generated inside the CRM, and we should be able to see all our conversation here. Also, we can see the summary of that conversation. Here it is, AI. I'm gonna expand this one. As you can see, Vateeb Khan is interested in scheduling a consultation. So what AI should basically do is that send this whole conversation to the business owner. And in this case, I am the business owner. I added myself as the business owner, and I should receive an email. So let me come back here to my email, and here it is. You got a lead. Basically, hi Vateeb, congrats, you got a lead. It is my name, I added as it is, and contact name, because my name was Vateeb there, I added Vateeb, and this is my fake phone number that I created. Again, conversation summary. So basically, when our customer is going to book an appointment, the AI is going to book an appointment inside the CRM, also notify the business owner and receptionist or whoever we want it to. So let me go ahead and show you the actually chatbot that is doing all this. As you can see, this is the chatbot we have here. I have given it identity, style guideline, how it's going to respond, response guideline, and then things to remember later on. This is the task that I have given it to, how it is going to respond basically. So here we have actually tools. These are the tools that we have created, and like update, it can update details every single time when customers gonna give their name, phone number, or anything. It can update detail. It can check availability in the calendar, book appointment, reschedule, cancel, or even check all the appointments. And we not only that, we have tools, extraction tool, as you can see here. This is a tool that is going to update the summary. We have created a custom field inside our CRM, and this tool is going to update that, give a brief summary, give a brief summary of the conversation, and later on, so we can use that summary anywhere we want it to. We added a tag, as you can see. When you get username, phone number, and email, all three things, add a tag, new client. So when and later on, I showed you where it is. Here it is. So when there is a wait for the condition is new tag, new client tag. So when we are gonna add this tag, we're gonna wait 1 minute and send the notification to business owner that you got a lead, and here is the link. You can install this chatbot anywhere if you are doing maybe running ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, or anything. You can basically use this anywhere. So guys, if this is helping you or it helped you in any way, if you want to install this in your business, if you are an agency and you want to make these chatbots for other businesses, let me know. I'm here to help. You can go to my YouTube link and book an appointment, schedule an appointment with me. I'll definitely be helping you with that. Thank you for now, and if there's anything I can improve, let me know. And thanks again. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.